that kind of takes us back. What's your product? So I was in the elevator business, the head of product strategy, the head of R&D, and we wanted to do this remote maintenance, remote monitoring system. And everybody said, oh, it's all about the box. It's all about the device that you put on the elevator that's gonna bring us all the intelligence and make this system work. And I was like, wait a minute, what's our product? Is our product elevators? Oh yeah, that's what we do. We manufacture and install and take care of elevators. No, let's talk about the take care. We're actually a service. A service is our product. How does that service differentiate us from anybody else? So we stepped through this cycle and the strategy base, and what we came back to realize is one of the reasons we were good at servicing our very diverse portfolio of products, because we were built by acquisition, is we had all this different tribal knowledge that was exchanged through our footprint of how we structured our service organization. And that's when we said, yeah, perfect, and we're gonna enhance them. We're gonna give them more data. Well, where did they get the data in the first place? Where does this data come from? So we actually went out and took a couple of the different mechanics, the domain experts, and brought them in and said, what do you look at? You don't have the data today. You're going to a job and you can see an error code in the controller, but the error code just tells you where to hunt. It doesn't tell you what it is. What are you looking at? What's the number one callback issue? It's doors, okay? What do you look at? What we realized, you don't have to add sensors. You don't have to add all about new devices. The data's there. You have to use a domain expert to have that data translated into know what data you need. And what we discovered in that step, that one single step is saying, you know what? It is all about the data, the right data, of course. However, if someone came in from in the industry or outside the industry and found a way to get that data and translate it, it would completely blow apart our whole business model. Our anchor point was we had this tribal knowledge and we could use our scale to exchange it. That tribal knowledge won't matter anymore because you have the data that's already there having to go to the job site and get. If someone gets that data and can scale that data, it was dramatically shocking of what it could do to our business. So we said, we have to be first. We have to be bold and brave enough and go back, and it was a scare tactic. And I took it to the CEO and said, here's a strategy. And guess what? If you don't do this and someone else will, we'll be out of business.